In this video, I'll detail how to bring back the missing phone icon in iPhone. So if the phone icon is missing on your iPhone and you find it very difficult to make calls because the iPhone icon is missing or the phone app is missing, then this video is going to walk you through step by step. So if you're not on this video, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you mistakenly delete or remove the application from your iPhone, then you may need to reinstall the application from the iPhone App Store. However, in most cases, you don't just delete the phone app on your iPhone. All you just do is you remove it from the home screen. Now, to add the phone app back to your home screen, all you just need to do is go to the app library. On app library, locate the phone app or search for phone app. You see, then press and hold it and then drag it. And then drag it here. Once you drag it, just press and hold it again. You can just bring back to the first home screen on your iPhone like this, or drag it to your iPhone home screen, first home screen, or drag it to this navigation, then let it go. Then once you drag and drop it, tap outside, then you should see the missing phone icon replaced back. So that's how you can easily fix or bring back the missing iPhone icon in iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.